Ever wondered how you could help your furry friend in case of an emergency? Well, that's where dog safety and first aid knowledge come into play. It's about understanding the potential dangers your pet may face and being prepared to respond. This video will provide you with an overview of common dog emergencies and the necessary first aid techniques. Because remember, in a critical situation, your quick and effective response can sometimes mean the difference between life and death. A variety of emergencies can occur in a dog's life, some more common than others. Just like humans, our furry friends can encounter unexpected situations that require immediate attention. For instance, a dog might choke on a small object or toy. In these situations, knowing how to perform the Heimlich maneuver can be a lifesaver. Heat stroke is another common emergency, especially during hot summer months. Be aware of the signs such as heavy panting, drooling, and fatigue. It's crucial to cool your dog down quickly, but safely. Injuries can range from minor cuts and scrapes to more severe wounds. Having a basic understanding of wound care can help prevent infections and further complications. Ingestion of harmful substances is unfortunately quite common. Dogs are naturally curious and may consume items that are toxic to them. Recognizing the signs of poisoning and knowing what to do can make all the difference. Lastly, seizures can be terrifying to witness, but knowing how to handle them can help protect your pet. Recognizing these emergencies and knowing how to handle them can greatly improve your pet's chances of recovery. Being prepared with basic first aid techniques can be a game changer in a dog emergency. Let's start with choking. If your dog is choking, stand behind them, place your fists just below the rib cage, and apply quick upward pressure. This is similar to the Heimlich maneuver in humans, but remember, be gentle. You don't want to cause any injury. Next, let's talk about cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR. If your dog is unconscious and not breathing, start with chest compressions. Place your hands over the widest part of the chest and press down gently. Follow this with rescue breaths by closing your dog's mouth and breathing into their nose. Heat stroke is another common issue. If your dog is panting excessively, seems lethargic, or excessively thirsty, they could be suffering from heat stroke. Move them to a cooler area, provide cool water to drink, and use a fan to circulate air. Never use ice-cold water, as this can lead to shock. Wound care is also crucial. Clean minor wounds with warm water, apply an antiseptic, and bandage lightly. For more severe wounds, apply pressure to stop bleeding and seek immediate veterinary attention. In the case of bites and stings, remove any visible stingers with tweezers, apply a cold compress to reduce swelling, and monitor your dog for any signs of allergic reactions. Poisoning can be a grave situation. If you suspect your dog has ingested something harmful, don't induce vomiting unless directed by a vet or poison control center. Instead, try to identify the substance and contact a professional immediately. Seizures and allergic reactions can be scary to witness. If your dog is having a seizure, keep them safe from injury, but don't interfere with the seizure itself. For allergic reactions, look for signs like excessive itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Lastly, if you need to transport an injured dog, use a carrier or an improvised stretcher. Keep them calm and minimize movement as much as possible. Remember, it's essential to contact a professional in any emergency situation, but these techniques can help stabilize your pet until you can get them to a vet. Prevention, they say, is the best cure. It's essential to prioritize regular checkups, keep up with vaccinations, and pet-proof your home to minimize accidents. Having your vet's contact information at your fingertips can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. While this video provides valuable information, it's not a substitute for professional veterinary care. Always consult with a veterinarian in case of emergencies. And consider enrolling in a pet first aid and CPR course to gain hands-on experience and further your knowledge. Stay safe and keep your pets safe too.